Listen! The alarm is ringing loud. Something is very wrong. Keep up, everyone! We need to move!
Oh, I'm so scared. What is happening in the zoo, Dad?
It's okay, son. Stay close to me.
I am scared too. People are running and shouting everywhere.
Warning! The animals are loose! Please leave the zoo now!
Run fast! Follow me this way! We must go out now!
Listen to the door. Clack, clack. It is so scary.
Follow me slowly. Be quiet. Please make no noise.
Look! I see a tiger in the bush. I'm so scared. I see it too. It looks at us. I'm very scared.
There are many animals here.
Oh no! It is a tiger! It is looking at us now. We must hide now. We have to hide right now. Run, Ben! Don't look back! You must go now! I can't run. Now my legs cannot move. Ben, you must run now. It is coming to you.
Ben! Come to me now! Please hurry up, Ben!
Ah!
Everyone, run away now! Run fast!
We have caught all the animals, but one tiger is still missing.
Run straight forward! Don't stop! Just keep going!
It is coming fast. It will catch me soon.
We are at the door. Open it fast. We can go. The door is locked. I can't open it.
Stay behind me. Everyone get ready right now!
We are all trapped.
It's okay. I'm here. I will protect you, Ben.
Dad! It is staying low. It will jump on us.
Stay very calm. Please don't run away now.
We can't get out of here.
There is the tiger. Quickly distract it. Fire a shot in the air now!
There is a zoo cart. We can use it.
The tiger is coming now! We have no time!
Get in now! Everyone is inside! Let's go fast!
It jumps. Hurry, Dad! Please go fast now! Oh, no!
One more second. We are safe. We are so lucky.
Look! Zoo staff are ahead! They come to help us!
We have caught it. You are all safe now.
Oh.
Listen to that. Everything is safe right now.
All safe now. Let's go with the zoo guide.
Wow! What a long neck! I never saw that. It uses its long neck to eat the high leaves.
Giraffes eat leaves that others can't reach.
The elephant sprays water. I'm so wet.
Its trunk is very long. It drinks water with it. So fun!
But please, stay at a safe distance.
Ha ha ha! That monkey is so funny! It is so fun! Monkeys climb very well. They use hands and tails.
They live in groups. They are very, very smart. Look, the lion is sleeping.
Wow, he is very calm, isn't he? It's so cute. When not hunting, lions rest for a long time.
Lions can sleep for many hours each day. Wow! The bear is standing! It is so tall!
Bears stand up to see and smell things. They have a strong smell to find their food. It is opening its eyes. It is so scary. Crocodiles stay very still to catch their prey.
They have very strong jaws. Please stay away.
They have very strong jaws. Please stay away.
Wow! A zebra! It has black and white stripes. Each zebra has many different kinds of stripes. Wow! A big mouth! It is funny and scary. Hippos yawn loud to show their big power.
They look slow, but can run very, very fast.
Wow! White rabbits! So cute! They jump so fast.
Rabbits have strong legs to jump very far.
Long ears help them hear the danger early.
Ostrich can't fly, but it runs very fast.
They can run very fast, like 70 kilometers an hour.
So fast. I'm very, very surprised now. It eats from my hand. This is so fun. Deer eat many plants. They are very gentle. Finally we rest. I'm tired but very happy. Today is a lot. I have learned many things.
A great day. It was scary, but meaningful.
At first I was scared. All the animals were scary. But now I think they are all amazing. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe to Sun English TV to learn and play.